Abraham had one God. They pagan family de thakise, pagan society de thakise, hidden Sinaitic covenant laga sign ki ase? What is the sign of Abrahamic covenant of circumcision? Is the next day. Sinaitic or Mosaic covenant, what is its sign? Itulah sign ki ase? Mosaic covenant laga sign. What is the sign? Huh? No one knows?
To be obedient.
Obedient?
Obedience.
Okay. Any more?
Fire.
Huh?
Fire.
Fire? Okay. Anyone?
Sign of covenant.
Okay. Anyway, the sign of Mosaic covenant is Sabbath. Sabbath is the sign. This is a perpetual sign you must keep holy. Sabbath. Sabbath itu his sign ase. Abraham laga tu circumcision. Sinaitic covenant laga tu Sabbath ase. The fourth commandment. You must keep the Sabbath holy. Keep it aside. Sabbath itu hi Sinaitic covenant sign ase. So in Deuteronomy 5:6, I am the Lord your God who brought you out of the land of Egypt, out of the house of bondage. So God initiated redemption. So if Adam ke mati brahi banai ulapne dishe living being, Noah ke pani brahi call out purise, Abraham ke pagan society brahi call out purise. Now these people were called out of the bondage of slavery. So God initiated everything. Isorra initiate koribo covenant do, and he turns the covenant. Itu koribo, aro this time purely conditional covenant. Itu be suzerain vassal covenant ase, now conditional. If you do this, I will do this. If you don't do this, I will do this. Itu ekta itu purely Sinaitic covenant aise ko time itu itu conditional. Abraham laga to unconditional ase, yet condition alok thake. Will be generally speaking unconditional covenant. Abraham laga bhi condition to alok thakise as a covenant making nature. Will be generally it's unconditional royal grant. Yet it Mosaic covenant itu purely conditional covenant. If you do this, I will do it. If you don't do this, I will do it. It pura puri adha. It's an agreement. So it relationship between Abrahamic and Sinaitic covenant itu apnikan jani boleh ase. So build on Sinaitic covenant to Abrahamic laga covenant the promises itu lagahi itu hi foundation ase. The promises that God made to Abraham according to that covenant. On that basis, Sinaitic covenant is made. Now, into relationship to apni deeper inika study biche de apni kuri lobi aro tadi jani bole laga to theme study kuri bole thakise hoile bi condition to kotte brakinika purise kwani tu apni laga nature kotte bra hise kwatu jani bole ni covenant ne adi relationship to from where God called you out, from where God called these people out, from where God called them and made this covenant. What do Amikan Jani Bule say? So, Amikan Kote Brahise, Amikan Kun Hoi Dakise, Amikan Ki Hoi Dakise. Now, our covenant is up there, Amikan to connection to so, Sapona. 10 commandment itu Mosaic law do keman thakise roughly 613 kunuba to 623 thakibo so roughly commonly Mosaic law do not puri thakile 613 Mosaic law including 10 commandments. 10 commandments itu include kurikina 613 laws. Hakibo, Mosaic law. So 10 commandments is the preamble of all the laws. Laws of the preamble to itu asa. Itu egla nohai kana सब लगा summary Israel nation लगा constitution ना constitution हिसाब से पूरी Deuteronomy the book of Deuteronomy क्वाटाइम से अपनी किन्हीं का पूरी को कोयले मानी अपनी covenant लगा theology दिमाग ते पुखी का पूरी को कोयले Deuteronomy book to Israel nation laka constitution ase koikene constitutional idea try so that you will know what is covenant. Covenant to agreement ase etu ka covenant hisab te apni purise bole etu Deuteronomy to constitution pura nishnai puri chapter 1 2, 3 itu introductory historical background na kalau ini kita chapter 4 5 especially 5 is the preamble of the constitution of Israel itu theocratic nation kuatu itu asa nah ani kan laga naklim for Christ to theocracy as it was a isi ko abhi takibo so don't jump into this that na jane ours is very different ami kan la bishala kas theocracy ko to bishala kas de theocracy laga bujibo bole theocratic covenant laga blessings to blessing and curse agreement constitution so laga to Deuteronomy of this covenant. Kung brahi draft policy to covenant. It's God. Isorbra slave kurina kagata in Matilo igina. He made this covenant and he is the one who maintain and keep that covenant. In spirit and in letter. Itu he is the keeper of the covenant. So, and itu covenant executor daya se itu nibide consequences. Itu covenant tu na rakhi se koile ki koribo. Itu lato ek bar share kori diyo. You are under new covenant. If you don't keep, what is the consequences? Itu apply koribo parise. Israel aro rakhi se koile
Blessing.
blessings. Blessing and curse is the theme of covenant. Na? Blessing and curse is the the theme of the covenant. Okay, that is, I mean, Deuteronomy chapter 20, they particularly specified that's the reward and consequences. Yeah? Blessing and curse, it was there. Acha, I do bra and now blessing and curse, itulaga constitution isapte till Malachi. Genesis bra Malachi puchikana itulaga theme brahi examine a king is measured. Measure itu examine itu nation ekta laga existent to blessing and curse prahi moka history to read kuribo pare. Whereas one dominant theme is there. Itu theme ekta thakise date. Ichedeli thakibo hoile bi itya koilo. The prominent theme in all the Old Testament, according to this covenant. Covenant itu laga hisapte, amikan Old Testament theme bishi thakise. Love is also very prominent. Kibi prominent bishi thakise. When you study the Bible of Old Testament according to covenant, covenant laga dimakte. अपनी बाइबल इतो Genesis to Malachi इतो study kuribo pale mani obedience. Obedience is the number one theme according to the covenant laka. According to covenant, covenant theme to change ho jata. So अपनी covenant laka theology pura time de keep in mind obedience laka importance itu kiman predominant. Why redemptive laga, kiki laga, grace laga bhi tamur thakise, love laga bhi thakise, because all these are redemptive work. Redemptive work ase faith bhi prominent thing number one bhi banai dibo pare. It depends on what basis you are studying the Bible. Bible to apne ki laga motive price study krise. Then it comes faith as the prominent theme of the OT. Love of God is to be prominent theme in that. So, whichever. Kinto covenant laga hisapte apni study pura dente. Obedience and disobedience is the theme, and the consequences is blessing and curse. Blessing to kibrahi amikan janibo. Living in the land prosperously, victoriously. Aro disobedience laga kya se kwele mane you are out of the land, lost people are scattered everywhere. The land upon you are dispossessed, you have nothing. Covenant hisab de apna laga future to the fate of Israel into covenant laga about it.
Whether the rain on the storm to sea, or tables or men or whatever it be, no waters can swallow the sea when life's the master.